What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2025 Chevy Trailblazer using Bluetooth. And if you're using an iPhone, we'll also take a look at how we can enable Apple CarPlay. And I am going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone, but other phones will be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings, open the Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen. On the left-hand side menu here, I'm going to click the phone icon, which is this one. From here, click Manage Phones, and then Add Phone. Now what I'm going to do is grab my phone, and under the available devices, it's going to pop up as My Chevrolet. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on the center screen, and it does. So on the phone, click Pair. And then on our center screen, we'll need to click Pair as well. Then we'll grab our phone, and this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. So now we're connected, and then in a minute, we'll get the prompt to enable Apple CarPlay. So then on your phone, you'll see it pop up, and just click Use Apple CarPlay. And then on the center screen, click Enable. And now we're connected. Now you can use your phone or music, whatever you want to do. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.